Yeah, I'm late for the bus.
This the fit. So I'm calm. Abercrombie. Borrowed it from Micah. Alright chat, it's lunch. I'm gonna do guys hair here. So I'm gonna be using a leave-in, curl cream, and a mousse, and a bounce curl brush. So this is Alexio, my friend from school. He's currently in my class right now, and he has agreed to let me style his hair for the first time. So thank you, Alexio, and for those watching, please enjoy the rest of the video.
Your shirt's gonna get all wet as well?
I know that. It's gonna look like I was just sweating.
So I have literally never done something like this before, so I was pretty nervous to do something like this, because especially in the first like 5 minutes of doing his hair, we had like 5 people watching.
It's so curly, what? Wait, what does that do?
It's just a leave-in.
It's like hair milk or something like that.
Yeah.
Hair milk?
It's literally what it says.
Oh, let's do a big shake of your hair. Go.
There, is that good?
More exaggerated.
Like Alexio, tilt your head down and shake. There you go.
Yeah.
Like that? Oh,
Okay.
okay, doesn't look too bad.
Alright. It's curl cream.
Why is our thing in here?
Dude. Do you have a spare shirt, Alexio?
No, I have spare shorts. I thought we had gym today. Shirt is cooked.
Dude, it's like, this reminds me of like those giving classmates haircuts in between classes. Those videos.
Mm-hmm.
Like in the bathroom, whatever. The principal walks in, and like, they're like, either the principal gets mad or they like, just get a free haircut. Wait, are you gonna like cut hair when you're older?
I don't know yet.
Alexio, remember Reggie?
Yeah?
He cuts hair now.
I know, I saw it in like stories.
What's our first class tomorrow? You guys know? No?
I have no idea.
Good luck with your hair. Send me pictures.
I've got our-
5 of them.
When someone just like walks in. I think wearing a white shirt was like the wrong thing.
Well, Lester, why don't you actually try to do your hair? Like, spend time into it.
I don't have that much time in the morning. Mostly
What
because
time do you wake up?
like 7.
I woke up at 6 today.
Why? To do your hair?
Extra preparation time.
Like, do you shower before or?
No, I showered the night before.
Smart.
Okay. I'll do a big shake.
Again?
Yeah.
Alright.
Like way more. Like really like, yeah. Like go crazy. Yeah. No, keep doing it until I say stop. Yeah, stop.
Let's get like whiplash.
Alright. Now for the front, we're gonna do some finger coils a bit so it's more defined than the rest.
I'm honestly surprised you didn't ask like Jeremy. I'm surprised you didn't ask Jeremy.
I wish I asked you last year, bro. When you had your long hair. That would have been so fun to do.
I actually hated the long hair.
Yeah?
Yeah, I hated it.
Remember?
No, I just didn't like it.
Oh, okay. So why didn't you cut it earlier?
I don't know.
I might do finger coils all around. What I'm doing right now, I might do it all around the head.
Have you ever thought about cutting your hair short?
I'm gonna do it when I graduate.
Like buzz it?
Yeah. So for this video specifically, I decided to keep it more natural and not do too much editing, because I feel like we did talk a lot in this video. But definitely around the...
I would never buzz.
But never?
No, I'd probably rather jump off a cliff than do that. What made Micah do it?
Too hard to manage for him, I guess. Didn't fit with his lifestyle. We come back a bit. Alright, perfect. Way too fast, And put that, tilt your head down a bit. Come back. Alright, perfect, go. And these are the final results. I really like how it came out. Let me know if you guys liked it too. But yeah, without further ado, this is the end of my video. Please drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.